Morning, my friends. Once again from Baghdad, from my hotel, back on the road today, hopefully. It's 5 o'clock in the morning and I'm waiting for the car to transport me to the Jordan border. Let's go to Jordan, guys. Here is my bike waiting for the taxi, and here's my stuff. So here I am in the car. And the bike, okay, let's show you the bike. The bike is there, if you can see it. The driver went for the tea, to get some tea, and well, the negotiation was a little bit heated, because at first he wanted $100 more for the bike. Oh, actually my seat is here, I did not realize. Okay, I guess I will not film during the journey, so see you at the border, guys. Yeah, actually, it's a surprise for me as well. I am not in the border, as I told you, but I'm already in Amman, in the capital city of Jordan, in the city that used to be called Philadelphia a very long time ago. Yeah, so just to explain you what happened. Actually, I realized when I was in the taxi, in the shared taxi to get to the border to Jordan, the ticket I booked when I went to the travel agency, I asked to go to the Jordan border, but then they sold me a ticket to go to Amman. So then when I realized that, I thought, well, now that it's all paid, I mean, they're not gonna reimburse me if I get dropped at the border and then I ride by myself all the way to Amman, which is 350 kilometers from the Iraqi border to Amman, and it's only desert. So I just thought, well, let's just keep going. Let's keep the bike in the car and let's go straight to Amman. Okay, actually, I also need to get my bike serviced, or at least checked, at least for the brakes, because they don't perform very well. And I wanted to get checked because basically from Amman, it's going to be my start of it's going to be kind of the start of my journey across Africa. So I think it's better to get it checked before. So in this video we're just gonna go get the bike checked, and then we'll do downtown Amman in the next video. First, let's get some food. Look at that! Shawarma rim. And there are a lot of people, so I think I've spotted a good restaurant around here. 1.8, almost $2 for one shawarma, which is $2.50. Can I get shawarma?
One sandwich?
One sandwich, yeah.
Normal or big?
Big.
Seven meat? Seven?
Huh?
This one, this one.
This please.
1.8.
1.8. Okay, shukran. Look at that. So actually it looks like they call the number afterwards. Where is the sun? Yeah, they call the number later on. So that's how I will know that my sandwich is ready. Okay, he took my ticket, but I didn't get a sandwich. Anyway, let's eat that, and then let's get the bike and get it serviced. Where can I sit? So let's try our first Jordanian shawarma. I love shawarmas. Oh, there is so much meat. In Iraq, they were always giving very, very few meat. It's good that there is meat inside it, man. Oh, it's fantastic. Wow. Oh, and the juice, the sauce. Fantastic. Wow. Okay, see you. Yeah! And here I am on the bike again. Woohoo! Just going to the shop to check the brakes and get the bike ready for the great adventure across Africa. And here is the shawarma shop. Finally off the main road. Yeah, so actually it was really not much to show on the way. Look at that. Yeah, it's completely different. It's very developed, big roads, big cars everywhere. But I had the first adventure still. I was stopped by the police at some point, by one policeman, because well, then he tells me that the road is for cars. You cannot go on the road. So I was like, so what do I do then? And he checked my passport and he told me, okay, just continue, but go faster. Funny, anyway. In countries where people are not used to bicycles, some people really think that the roads are only for cars. And I think that's the shop. You see, Bike Rush. Let's see if they can have a look at my bike. Okay, so it looks like it says it's open, but oh, he's out for a bit. And there's a phone number, but I don't have a SIM card here, so I will see. Maybe I'll check the neighbors if they can call him. And I asked Rami. No, I asked Rami his help to call for the guy of the shop to come to check my bike. But now he's working in the. What's funny is that is Jordan. He's working in this shop. What's the name? Fro. No, your brother is your brother's shop. Okay, so it's he's the brother of the owner, but now he's treating me to a sorbet. Huh? J-Bebon? I don't understand. J-Bebon? Mixed berries? Okay, yeah, okay, yeah. I don't know what it is. Let's check it out.
Okay, we call it J-Bebon to have cheese.
Ah, okay. Oh, that's the flavor. Okay. J-Bebon. J?
Yeah, from cheese.
From cherries. Okay.
Yeah. Berries, the berries that we
Oh, okay.
and bomb.
Like bomb.
Yeah.
Like a.
Yeah.
Okay. So cherry berry bombs. Okay, great. Thank you. So that's a cherry berry bomb. Not bad. Shukran. Thank you very much. Yeah.
The guy is here.
Oh, the guy is here. Okay.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good. Thank you very much. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna enjoy this, and the guy is here, so I'm gonna go to fix the bike. Hello. Oh. Yeah. Good, and you?
Fine, thanks.
So here is the bike. I think it's dusty here.
No, but it's again clean.
Okay. So the bike is gonna stay for one day. I'm gonna retrieve it tomorrow. What's your name?
My name is Hussam. Hussam.
Hussein.
Our shop is called Bike Rush.
Bike Rush.
Yes.
Okay. So I actually was recommended. Your shop was recommended from my hostel. They told me.
Well, you're welcome. Thank you.
Okay, so I'm gonna leave the bike. The bike is gonna stay one night there, and he's just gonna. It looks good apparently. He's just gonna remove the brake wire, grease it, and put it back on, and hopefully it should be enough to make that I trust my brakes again. And tomorrow I'm gonna come to retrieve the bike. But before, maybe let's get another ice cream and then order carrying. So here I have this time a giant sorbet.
So the pink one is what she said was cherry berry bomb, and the other one is sunshine taste, which is a little bit less good, I would say. She put some strawberry kind of sauce on top of it and some toppings. Look at that! Wow. So today it's fancy ice cream tasting. That's very good. Oh my god. Well, that's awesome. Look at the shop. Coming from Iraq, everything is so different. And back in the modern world, basically, everybody speaks very good English. Everything is working well organized. It's so surprising coming from after 3 months in Iraq. Look at the toppings, wow. Really good. Okay, see you tomorrow when I get back when I retrieve the bike. Okay, the neighbor is calling me now. Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Good, and you?
You're from Syria.
Huh?
Syria.
Syria?
Yeah.
Me?
Me.
Oh, you're from Syria? Yeah. Okay. Oh, nice to meet you. Yeah. Oh, oh, you're a barber. Very nice, nice shop. Very nice.
Good.
Very good. Yeah. What's your name?
My name Adnan.
Adnan.
Yeah.
Okay. You're from where? From Aleppo, Syria, no?
Yeah, Syria.
Damascus. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're from where?
France.
France.
France. Yeah.
Good.
Thank you. Sit. Okay.
No problem.
Thank you.
Drink?
Huh?
Why you drink?
When I drink?
Yeah.
I don't know what you drink.
Food shop.
Shop?
Ah.
Okay, shop.
Coffee and Nescafe and
Coffee.
coffee.
Coffee? Yeah.
Sugar?
Yes, a little bit. Yeah.
1 minute, huh?
Okay. Okay. Now, I just go for my bags there.
Okay. No.
It's insane. The Middle East is insane. I just get my bag. I just get my bag, and I just get my bag, and everybody is inviting me for some things. Let's sit here in front of the barber. And actually, it's also what I like. Well, it's after being 3 months in Iraq. Well, you have this constant military presence. It feels so relaxed to be in a country that is completely at peace, completely peaceful, where everything works, where you see there are no tensions, no gangs. The contrast actually between the other countries in the region and Jordan, like between Lebanon, Syria, Iraq, and Jordan, is incredible, because in all the other countries the electricity doesn't work well. Well, they have so many security issues, safety issues, but here everything is like super fine here. So it's really surprising. Yeah, it's really surprising to be so close and to find something so different with actually the exact same people, because it's the same people. They are Arabs here also. Okay, no problem. No problem. Okay, shukran. So it looks like no more sugar. Let's have a real coffee then.
This American.
American coffee?
Yeah.
Okay. So shukran.
You smoking?
No. No, sorry. Thank you. Very good. Very good.
This machine, American machine.
Ah, the machine is American.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's very good. And the bike is ready. We've got new brake wires ready to go. Huh?
You need speaker.
I need speaker. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, that would be good. Yeah. It's party time. So I have 2 new brake wires. He cleaned all the inside part of the wires. He oiled the inside part also, so it's all ready. I've got new very good new brakes.
Hey, how
Hi, good.
I
And
saw
you?
you yesterday.
You saw me yesterday?
Between third and fourth circle.
Okay.
More than they saw you.
Okay. Everyone saw me yesterday. Yeah, it's electric. Yeah, it's electric. It's just an assistance. Yeah, it's not. If you don't pedal, you don't move. Oh, I need to. Okay. Bye. Let's go with the bike. Hoppala. First incident with the bike with the new brakes. And away we go with the bike, ready for the big African adventure. Yeah, let's go, guys. The big adventure is about to start. Okay, I guess that's the end of the video. I retrieved my bike. I'm gonna get back to the hostel, show off with my bike, and see you for the next video in Amman. I think one video in Amman, and then it will be the start of the great adventure, probably the greatest adventure in my life, of biking an electric bike across Africa. Oh my god. Ciao guys.